This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Galen Genovese. Attention investors! This is your perfect flip, or tear down and build new in this great Arlington Park location. There is a lot to love here. The huge foyer could be a home office. Large living room with a fireplace, is open to the dining room with bay window. Most windows are newer. So many possibilities. The family room is currently being used a bedroom. The owner's suite has a full bath and walk-in closet. Have your morning coffee in this wonderful screened-in room with stamped concrete floors, overlooking the large fenced flat yard that is perfect for a pool or play area. There is a large shed in the yard plus a workshop/storage off of the screened-in room. Could be used for laundry, plenty of parking on the newer concrete driveway. Great location in this hot area with $1 million plus homes all around you. Close to Sarasota Memorial Hospital, shopping, restaurants, downtown Sarasota and Siesta Key. Room sizes approximate. For more information, review the details below.